Are you a dropshipper, tired of higher Facebook ad costs, or frustrated with Instagram changing algorithm? What if I told you there is a platform where your product can stay searchable for months? You don't even need to post every single day. Here are some real results from Pinterest that we made for our clients. On this dropshipping store, we made $2.4 million in sales. This home decor brand made $1 million in sales. This fashion store made $350,000 of sales. And this fabric store got $300,000 of sales. And there's many stores like this. Pinterest isn't just for recipes and home decor anymore. Dropshippers are moving to Pinterest because it works. It's not just a trend. Why? Because Pinterest is made for visual product discovery. And dropshipping is all about showing the product in a way people wanted to buy. Pinterest is a visual search engine. That means someone search minimalistic wall clock, your product pin can show. Unlike Instagram and TikTok, your content doesn't disappear after 24 hours. The main benefits of Pinterest is number 1, evergreen traffic. Your pin keep getting views over time. Number 2, less competition than other platforms. Number 3, people came ready to shop. 60% of the users are planning to purchase something. And number 4, a large US-based audience with buying power. Here's the best part. You can simply connect your Shopify, ecommerce or Wix store directly to Pinterest. Pinterest will automatically pull your all the product and create product pin for you. These pins update with the latest price, stock info and direct link to your store. You don't need to update every day. It will automatically update. No daily post, no heavy design needed. Why actually smart dropshippers choosing Pinterest? Number 1 reason is ads are cheaper than Facebook and TikTok. And number 2 is content keep getting view and get ranked every month. Doesn't matter if your content is 2 months or 3 months older, your content will still get view. Number 3, easy to grow with organically and paid ads also. And number 4, huge audience in the US. So now the question is how to get started today. Connect your store with Pinterest. Number 2, install your Pinterest tag. Number 3, use keywords in your product title. Number 4, use lifestyle photo and product mockups. Number 5, start with organic marketing, then test low budget ads. If you are not using Pinterest ads, I think you are missing out a big opportunity. I have helped many stores grow just from Pinterest, and you can too. If you think this video helped you, please feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you so much.